Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. I am so excited for you to watch this video. Let's get started. For this first project, I took some scrapbook paper that looked like an old metal garage, and I took this packet of little pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, placed them all over there with the idea of it becoming a garland. Traced them all out. I then took my glue stick and glued the paper to each of the pumpkins. Well, we are going to see what I can do with those cool rub-on transfers and this pumpkin garland. Making this garland was a last minute kind of thought idea. Generally, they're easy to make. And I guess it kind of evolved into this sort of industrial fall decor. I don't know what you would call it, but I really, really like it. The addition of the rub-on transfer flowers in black just sets it off, just gives it just enough little bitty spice. And now for the next DIY. A little bit of fringe from my stash. Wait and see what I do with it. Get you some fuzzy trim. I got a big, long line of it. I measured how big I wanted my tassels, so I just put marks. That's the center. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off right here. Get my string. I had some pre-cut strings ready. Put down my glue. Does not take very much glue. Put down my string right on the edge so it'll stay in the middle as I curl. Perfectly round with a string in the middle. Now I'm going to try for a double. I'm going to put it about like this so it hangs down, maybe a little lower, so it's a double. You will get to see the pumpkin garland with these homemade tassels in the final reveal. Next DIY coming your way. I really liked this little sign. I picked it up from Dollar Tree. I just want to add some dimension to it, so I'm going to use some of these little picks also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue them on there and then paint these pumpkins in a gourd and kind of put them along the bottom, leave the green pumpkin there, and just kind of make the sign stand out a little bit. I'm even considering some glitter or something on the words. I'm not sure, but I really love the saying. Of all the work I did to this little plaque wreath thing, I only have this picture of greenery to show for it. It turned out so adorable. I love the way some of the pieces stick out. The colors are perfect. It just so cute. It's really speaking to my heart. You guessed it. Another DIY. Personally, I love silver, but I don't really like it for my home decor. I picked these both up at Dollar Tree, and I am going to go ahead and paint them, I don't know, white or green or some tan. I'm going to use some chalk paint and just make them fit in a little bit better. In the end, I did give both of these items 2 coats of clear matte spray paint. Is it just me, or are these the cutest craft yet? DIY number something else. These are the wood cutouts from Dollar Tree pumpkins, and I just covered them in some paper that I had, and I am going to add this one right here, somewhere over here. Shelf sitters. I added little Dollar Tree cubes along the back side of these pumpkins so they would stand up on their own. I also used some as dividers. And now for the next DIY. This is such a simple DIY. I almost hate to include it, but these are just styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I hate the orange. I'm gonna paint them with this moss paint. And then I found these at Dollar Tree also. Rub-on transfers. I'm gonna pick some cute ones out. You know I love the birds. And put them right on the painted pumpkins. Easy peasy pumpkin squeezy. And again, is it just me, or are these cuter than the last thing I made? Everything just keeps getting better. Next DIY coming your way. I picked up this little Dollar Tree sign, says gather together with the, what's that called? I do know what it's called, but I can't remember. Anyway, my idea is to use this truffle paint. I watered it down pretty good, and I'm going to try to keep that brown on the gather and the together. Hopefully it'll look like wood. I'm going to paint it on, wipe it off, and then I'm going to use one of my greens, water it down, and put it all over this thing. So brown, green. We'll see. And now for the final reveal. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby. Did you enjoy this video? Give me that thumbs up. If you did not enjoy this video and made it this far, well, gosh dang, I don't know. I guess maybe next time I could make you happy enough to subscribe to this channel.